Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. I am Sahitya. Today me and my colleague Pratyusha, we will be talking to you all about why you should become a full stack developer. Do you want to stand out in your software development career compared to your peers? Are you tired of thinking about the right career path for you? Well, think no more. We are here with a comprehensive guide to the right career for you going forward.
Full stack development is the answer to all your queries. It is referred to as one of the hottest professions of 2021. And of course, there are solid reasons why it is named so. One of the primary reasons could be the rising demand for skilled full stack developers. As per a report by the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, the demand is expected to exceed 8,53,000 jobs by the year 2024. And before moving on to other reasons, let us know briefly about what a full stack developer does. So Sahitya, can you please help our audience understand what is the role of a full stack developer?
Yeah. So full stack developers are professionals with an all-encompassing knowledge and skills, and they're good at multitasking. They have knowledge of both client-side as well as the server-side applications. They work on front-end as well as back-end development of the software. Their varied skills and extensive knowledge of the web development makes them popular among employers.
So, the demand for a skilled full stack developer is on a rise. According to the market survey, as many as 48.2% of developers have already upskilled themselves to meet the market demand. It would be only a matter of time for others to do the same. If you are still confused about whether you should launch a career as a full stack developer or not, we will be presenting top 5 reasons why you should actually consider full stack developer as your career, and those reasons will also help you make an informed decision. Now let us know about the top 5 reasons why you should build your career as a full stack developer. Immense career growth, a chance to build diverse skill set, handsome salary, simple and quick to learn, chance to play an important role in critical projects. Now let us look at these points in detail. Immense career growth. The multidimensional job role will provide you with various job opportunities as well as immense career growth. As we have already mentioned, there will be 8,53,000 open job roles by the year 2024. If you really want to build a career as a full stack developer, then starting right away would be ideal for you, as the year 2021 is considered as the best time to do so. And of course, there are reasons behind this. And the reason could be the increasing demand for skilled professionals. Companies are looking to hire professionals who have the knowledge of all the layers of an application and can take full leadership of a project. A chance to build a diverse skill set. As a full stack developer, you must have both technical as well as soft skills. You will be responsible for both the backend as well as the front end of an application. You'll have knowledge in backend coding, database technologies, and programming languages like Java, Python, Ruby, PHP, and Node.js. Along with this, you will also get an opportunity to build your expertise in many other skills, which will give you a diversified skill set and a strong work portfolio. Handsome salary. As the demand for skilled full stack developers is increasing, the companies are willing to pay handsomely to those who have the right skill set and diverse knowledge of the field. According to a survey by Indeed, the average salary for a talented full stack developer is more than the average salary of any other software developer in the industry. And the average salary is said to be 9 lakhs per annum. And your salaries would vary depending on your expertise and experience. Simple and quick to learn. You will be able to build your expertise and learn all the skills quickly if you have a little knowledge and interest. With the availability of a wide range of courses, it has become easier to learn the technical skills very easily online. Today, companies are looking for skilled professionals more than post-professional degrees. So if you choose the right course and build your skill set, you will be able to launch your career as a full stack developer in no time. You'll also get a chance to play an important role in critical projects. You'll get a chance to be a part of many critical projects because of your knowledge on full stack development with a diverse range of skill sets. You'll also have the opportunity to lead the projects with some experience in the field. However, you must strive to upskill yourself and nurture your full stack development skills constantly to deliver the best result. Let us now look at the in-demand skills and qualification that you will require to launch a career in full stack development. Let us start with the technical skills, and you must have a knowledge in both the front-end and back-end programming languages. In the front-end programming languages, you must have the knowledge in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in back-end programming languages, you must know Python, Ruby, Java, PHP, and .NET. You'll also require to have a knowledge in database technologies such as MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. Apart from these technical skills, you'll also require few soft skills, which are analytical mindset, time management skill, continuous learning, attention to detail, and creativity. All these skills will help you build a strong career in full stack development. Now let us look at the qualification. You will need a bachelor's degree in engineering with professional training in full stack development to launch your career. You must gain fluency in all layers of software development. You can take up online certification courses that promise to deliver the best result in the current circumstances. Lucky for you, major edtech companies like TalentSprint are offering best-in-class online training opportunity for students and professionals who wants to nurture their skills to become a full-stack developer. The program will help you build the required expertise and also offer unlimited placement assistance. Beside the technical training, they will also prep you for aptitude tests, communication, along with your interview preparation. So there are plethora of opportunities and plethora of courses available in the market. You just have to choose the right one and get started. With this, we have come to an end of our presentation. But before signing off, we would like to ask you one last question. Are you ready to build your career in the hottest profession of 2021? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any queries related to this video or related to full stack development as a career, then you can write to us in our email ID. We'll try our best to answer all your queries. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Before ending the video, we would like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon next to it to never miss an update from us. See you in our next video.